What's going on, people? This is James Leon, and today we're going to be talking about the Mr. Heater portable propane convention heater. You need to have a 5-gallon propane tank or whatever kind of propane tank you want to use. This is how it looks inside the packaging. I've already used it, but that's just for demonstration purposes. So when you open up the package, this is how it's going to most likely look. It comes with the hose. It's going to have caps at the end of it. You just pull off. It's called a regulator. It goes to the propane tank. So I'll place that down without ruining the threads. Slides up in this little race here, and it locks into place here. Let's do that now. It's a little difficult with one hand. So yeah, you just pull it up, locks into place, and then next step you want to do is hook up this end without the regulator here. Right hand threads. We'll just hand tighten everything for now. So you can pull this line out and straighten it, but I really don't care, so I'm just gonna leave it. So this end with the regulator on it, it goes into here. So these threads, they don't turn to the right, they turn to the left. In this case is the tight way, so lefty tighty, righty loosey on this one. I recommend a wrench so that you don't strip out the ends. So we're just gonna get this tight on there, snug. You don't want to cross thread because you're gonna be taking this side off quite a bit. So once you have that on there, we're gonna move over to here. And this one's gonna be the original righty-tighty. Before we turn it on, we're gonna do a safety test to make sure that none of the lines are leaking propane. So we'll be testing this line and this whole fitting from here, here, and here. And we'll also be testing this one. Be testing here and here. So for the test, we will open the tank all the way so that it has max pressure coming out. To do the test, grab just a regular water bottle, squirt some soap inside of it, not too much, maybe like 2 squirts of soap inside of it. Fill it up with some warm, cold, lukewarm, whatever you want to do. Probably some lukewarm water. Shake it up. See the bubbles? So don't worry if when you're running the water it comes out clear, because if air is leaking from this area or any of these joints, it will bubble up and start to foam up like this. And I mean, if you want, you could check around the propane tank, but I mean, they do that already. And then at this point, we'll check the line. We'll check here and here. As you can tell, there's no bubbles, so we're good. Now that we're good, we'll turn it on. Turn it on, very simple. You just push this in. When you push this in, you listen for the propane. So when you hear the propane, you want to give it a second, like maybe 2 seconds, so it builds up enough propane to ignite. Just like that. And if it turns off, don't worry about it. Just proceed to do it again. See, I didn't hear any propane, so listen. And then I kind of hold it and release slowly. And then turn it as fast as I can. And then I can set it back. That's just so it doesn't turn off. It works great on low as well. The heat comes out of here and travels directly up like a funnel around it. Just goes up to the middle and goes up. Just make sure that you never touch any of this while it is running. It will instantly burn, can cause a fire. So I recommend that you have a carbon monoxide detector and also a fire alarm. of some sort, some smoke detector. I also recommend having a fire extinguisher nearby. All I use is ABC fire extinguishers. ABC is for chemicals, gas, pretty much everything. And I always keep this thing 5 feet away just in case it lights anything on fire or anything falls on it. This will put it out instantly. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Please like, follow, subscribe. And if you guys have any questions, please put it down in the comment section. I'm not an expert. I'm just showing you how to you do the basics on this thing. Safety check, how to start it, what you need. And again, this thing works really good. I recommend it.